Everybody, welcome back to an episode of Project Fast.
Alright guys, we're just going to do a little short video for you guys to watch. Just basically JDM cars in Australia, they don't cope too well with the summer sun and the sun in Australia. They're all built out of plastic most of the time. So what happens is the sun hits it and it turns the lens yellow. You'll probably see it
On your
quite
headlight,
often.
I don't think we mentioned it was a headlight we're talking about.
On the headlight, sorry.
On the headlights.
So you'll see it quite often on cars with plastic headlights. They'll go yellow. So basically we're just going to do a quick fix up of the headlights on the GTR today, and yeah, just something fun to do.
Make them looking from ugly yellow to brand new crystal clear almost. Right, what are we going to do, Lachlan?
Take the headlight out.
And how do we do that?
2 bolts at the back. On this side, for some reason that side had one. And then the bolt on the top. And they'll be, on a GTR, there'll be a bolt down in there somewhere.
Right.
Pain in the butt.
And if we wave our magic wand real quick, the headlight should just come out. We pull all the bolts out. Look at that.
Ta-da!
Just like that. There's also a heap of plugs you got to take off. But
yeah, these plugs too. I just took the bulb out of that one. It was easier.
Yeah, the magic wand did that for us.
Yeah.
Yep. Rightio. Next thing.
Alright, so next thing we do is we grab some wet and dry sandpaper, probably around about 300 to 400 grit-ish. And then just circle, swirl, sand the whole thing down. It will turn really, really, really murky and like foggy, which is what you want. Once it's all sanded down evenly, you're not obviously going to get crazy cracks out or anything like that. We're back.
What do you got there, Lachlan, in your hand?
A bit of 300. If I can fold it out. 800.
800 grit sandpaper.
800's probably a bit fine, but the finer sandpaper you go, the shinier it'll be at the end of the day. So you guys choose what you really want to use. 300 to 400, probably 400's better. 300's a bit coarse. Just circle sand it.
Wet with water.
Keep the water on it. Heaps of water. Stops you from scratching the lens.
Not as yellow, just cloudy.
Now keep in mind too, after you use the polish, you're not going to be able to clear coat over it.
Why is that, Lachlan?
Because it'll react with the paint and it'll bubble and look really disgusting. So
Then you'll have to do all this again.
then you'll have to sand the paint off, and that's never fun.
No. Who's that? Is that a little...
No.
That's Nova. Project Fast Doggo. Back to the important stuff. What's that stuff there?
That is Maguire's compound, ultimate compound. Restores clarity, colour. It's like a cutting compound, but it's not. It doesn't have like all the really bad, sandy, gritty shit in it. And it is really good for using with buffing machines. Pro tip, which I didn't even know, But on the back, when you're looking at products, I don't know what to say here somewhere, that it is suitable for use with a DA polisher or orbital. So make sure when you're buying your polish, if you plan on using it with a buffing machine,
There we go. Oh man, that looks so good. Go high beam. That doesn't look as good, but it still looks good. They look real blue in the video, but they're actually white. Once again, I've forgotten to record an outro on the day, so here I am, months later, doing it in the office again. Sorry it's taken so long for us to come out with another video. We've been moving house and stuff, but we have a lot of new content. We've got some big things happening for the GTR. We've got a new car coming very, very soon, so keep updated with that. For anyone wondering, the GTR is back on the road again. The clutch is done. You will see those videos, I think not the next video, but the one after that we start showing the clutch videos, so you'll see that very, very soon. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and share it to all your friends and share it on Facebook and whatever else you want to do. I don't care. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video where we will be looking at, I can't even remember what we're doing on the next one. You'll just have to wait and find out. See you soon, folks. Didn't get any better. No. We're not endorsed by Coca-Cola. If they want to be, I'll take free shit any day.
I won't. Alright. Hichiko. What's that mean in Japanese?
Headlight. I don't know.